Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit the checkout page on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find these two options, create a new folder and also create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the list that includes all of your websites on Wix. And if you hover your mouse over any website, you can select and edit the site. For example, I'm going to go to this site right here, click on select and edit. And as you can see guys, it's saying loading your dashboard. And once it's loaded, this is how the dashboard is going to look like. Here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. And if you want to edit your website, just go here down to edit site, go ahead and click on it. And then this will redirect you to this page right here. So just wait for the page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for Wix. And then once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize your site. Right here, you're going to find add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, and so on. Click on pages and menus. And then here you're going to find the site menus, store page, blog pages, and light boxes. So we're going to go to store pages. And then here you're going to find the product page, category page, cart page, and lastly the thank you page. Go ahead and click on the cart page. And then this will take you to your checkout page. And then basically you can edit this page. Right here, you're going to find the option to quick edit. You can edit this page, and also you're going to find the option to manage payments. If you click on manage payments, this will take you to this page right here. And then you can either choose to connect your PayPal or you can add manual payments. Just click on connect, add your informations, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.